what is a charge-off? There's a bunch of information we put on this page. Read it carefully. On the bottom over here, this is the law from the IRS actually. What's a charge-off and what you can do and what you cannot do. Okay, read it carefully. You have any questions, of course, you always can email us. But bottom line is, charge-off is always after you don't pay your bills, usually after 180 days. They put it in collections, they charge it off, they sell it to somebody else, and the collection department or the collector who bought you that trying to collect on it because it's charged off. Some people or some creditor try to charge you taxes on the charge-off. Yes, you do have to pay it if they charge you. So everybody's kind of a little different. There's a couple other videos about charge-off and collections you should watch. But the most important thing on this page is go to the bottom and check out the law, what's really written. Because sometimes if something gets charged off too early, you actually can dispute it and get it off your credit report. So it's very important. Thanks for watching.